It's about this time every year that designers get super nervous to understand what's gonna happen in the design industry next year. So in this video, let's talk about design trends. What's up guys, my name is askzana. If this is your first time to see a video from me, you've been just walking by YouTube and YouTube recommended my video, consider subscribing because we do incredible content. Okay, not content, because kind of people nowadays don't want to use the word content. I don't know why. Okay, if you just watched my video, we do amazing, incredible videos about life and design. Actually, it's beyond that, it's more than that. I'm still even figuring out more, but for now we focus on life and design, and yeah, so consider subscribing and turn on the bells, which is I think important if you're really into that. And yeah, let's get into why we're here today. So before diving into the trends of 2020, I focused this video on the major tools that make graphic design. And number one is typography. If you really want to grow as a graphic designer, typography is one of the things that you need to put your focus and energy on. And two, it's color. Color makes design. I'll tell you for a fact that these two things, if you want to be an incredible designer, your effort needs to be on this. So in this video, we focus on what's gonna trend in the world of typography in year 2020. I might do a video about color maybe in the near future, but let's first see what's going to happen in 2020 in the world of typography. So coming in at number one, it's expressive typography. If you're a designer and this is your first time to hear about like expressive typography, it's like, to put it in a nutshell, it's just type that speaks more than type. It's type that has some emotion added to it or an action added to it. There's a definition I read online that kind of like puts it in a category of text that kind of like mimics images, or text that has more visual characteristics. So I would say that this is one of the major things that have been happening in 2019, and it has been around, but year 2019 have been like more like a debut for it to come take shape. And every designer nowadays kind of like has a leg into it. Like, you look at Instagram, a lot of designers have started experimenting with it. So I recommend it, and I promise you that expressive typography is one of the things you should put your eyes on, because I've seen like major big branding agencies like take advantage of it. And like this project here, Pentagram like designed the brand identity for a company called Good Dog. And when you look at the logo itself, like it's just a word marker, and the word marker only has a tail on letter G. And for me, that only expresses the entire meaning behind this logo, because you can see the animation has the tail on the letter G wagging, and when a dog wags, we all know that maybe it's having a good time or it's like expecting some good food. So for me, that really signifies the reason why expressive typography has become a big deal in the industry of design. Like designers have like started experimenting with it, so you should jump on that wave right now. Coming in at number two is food typography, and this is one of those where you just want to jump onto a wave before it gets saturated, because food typography has been here for a while, but like the language itself has just started taking shape. Call them food typography artists, designers who use typography to kind of like mimic food to speak as type. And I'll tell you for a fact, significantly, this is one of those you need to jump on quick, because I've seen brands like Starbucks commission designers to come up with some concepts with their food. And more than Starbucks, I've seen like some chocolate companies use it to portray how beautiful their product is. So if you're a lettering artist who joined lettering late and you feel like the industry is so competitive, like there's so many incredible guys who do lettering, this is the best way to branch off your skills. 2020 is going to be big, or it's going to be a breakthrough for food typography, because food is a thing, man. Like, people love food, and if you can make type out of food, there's no one who won't be mind blown by that. And yeah, this is the perfect time. Consider checking it out. It's a big thing. So going to number three is kind of like a design style in type. A lot of designers use it And I think it has been here for a while, so it's not a new thing. But honestly, like when you look at how this has been a thing in 2019, it's one of the styles that have cut across all mediums and industries. Because in the movie industry, like a lot of movies came out with this kind of style of typography. Like they used it in their marketing collateral, whether it's a poster, whether it's the trailer of the movie, they use like bold typography. For me, that like fascinates me and at the same time gives me chills that designers are getting more jobs in the film world. So that is huge. I recommend you to start like experimenting with this style because it's huge, man. Like it's taking shape. And when you look at all the movies that are meant to premiere in 2020, okay, did I say 2020? Okay, the word is like 2020. All the movies that are going to premiere in 2020, when you watch the trailers, they have the same typography style. And it's something that when you think about, like if these high production movies are using this style, so it's huge. People enjoy to use it. When you look at posters, typography stands out more, or typography is given more space compared to the cast. So that, I mean, signifies it well that it's a style that you need to start learning and start experimenting with it. Yes, as I already told you that the two major things that you need to draw your spotlight on is typography and color. So that marks it for typography. And I'm working on a video, or I'm working on a project where I want to share my thoughts on how color is going to trend in 2020. And I'm still reading, I'm still researching about like you know, the mega meaning of color and how like color impacts the industry. So I'm reading a book about color. Let me show you. So I'm reading this book about color. I hope this can help us like at least have some fundamentals and concepts about color. So I think I'll just like Godspeed the book and try to get some like subject matter out of it as much as I can, so that when I do that video, it has like some element that can help you stand out as a designer. So expect that video soon when I'm done with my research. Thank you guys for watching. That has been it for this video. I hope this video helped you learn a thing or two, and has put you in a position where you can survive in 2020. Yeah, so actually that's it. For the new guys, consider subscribing and turning on the bells, and also let us know in the comment section that I'm new to the family and I've subscribed, so I can give you this crazy amazing welcome. And actually also for the new subscribers, kind of like sometime, you know, we give away some bananas. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, we'll give away some bananas. Oh, you mean you don't like bananas? You for real don't like bananas? So what do you want? You want a chapati? Are you for real? Come on, you need to think beyond that. We're trying to save the earth here, so stick to fruits and I mean like vegetables also, but a chapati, no. We can't give you a chapati. We have a lot of bananas going on here, so I think you should go for a banana. I can give you one if you want to. Yeah, just go ahead, subscribe, and yeah, we'll just welcome you with a banana. I'll eat it for you. Yeah, but you get the point. Like we're trying to save the earth here, so no chapatis, no burning fuel or oils. It's just keep it vegan. Yeah. Actually, that's a trend also in 2020. You should consider jumping on that wave, because yeah, it's a thing. It's a thing nowadays. You shouldn't feed on any not vegan. Yeah. So consider subscribing as so that's one. So I think this is one subscription. Thank you. And also like consider liking the video if you really loved it. And the other thing is also did I say like the video? Yeah, like the video and also share it like to your people. Let them know that man, this guy is amazing, because I'm pretty much sure that I'm trying to be like the next amazing guy in your life. So subscribing will help you, I mean like become friends with me, because yeah, it does help. Maybe sometime when no one is watching, I can buy you the other thing you want. Yeah, the other thing you said. But for now, let's stick it bananas. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the thing, like here's so this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are 13, 14 subscribers, and I think I'm going to finish the entire banana for you. If you subscribe, then I eat your banana. Okay, I can give it to you if you want, but it would be nice if you like me, then I can eat it for you. Okay? Yeah, I'm waiting. Yeah. So this is like subscriber 1. I swear I'm dead. To finish this all, it's going to take like some crazy effort. But for the sake of like becoming your friend and you subscribing, I rather have it all, because that counts me like 2 new friends, which is okay. Like taking this bullet for you is easy. Maybe you could take me a serious bullet in the future. Yes, that's 1 subscriber. Yeah, it's actually pretty fun. 13 subscribers as we save the art. Yeah, quite fun. I think the next thing I would do is like every subscriber I get, I plant a tree. But baby steps, bro. Baby steps. Let's begin here. Easy. Become vegan. The next thing you know, you're campaigning for trees. So fast forward, like I'll just kind of like pause it for now. And if you guys like, go ahead and subscribe and let me know in the same, in the section. Actually, like in the section. Yeah, I mean like the comment section. So go ahead and comment there that you subscribed and you're new. We'll give you your banana and like the crazy welcome. Yeah. So in advance, I assume that there's no way I cannot get 3 subscribers, and there's no way people won't let me in the comment section. No. So I'm just trying to be proactive. I might like, the truth is these bananas are taxing on the stomach, but I feel like I think I'll just wait on you to do that as I go out to cut out the ones I've already eaten. So see you in the next one. Yeah, if you can check me on Instagram. I'll post my update if I happen to get like 14 people subscribed. I'll try to post maybe a live cast when I'm eating the rest of the pieces. My Instagram is at wxyzana. Go there to, I think I'll post it on Twitter though. So it's the same thing at wxyzana. Yeah, just for accountability, for you to know that you subscribe and I ate the banana. Yeah, so consider going to Instagram and watch me there, or Twitter. Yeah, bye. See you guys. Love you.